An important part of ensuring Jamaica's development is to keep an eye out for emerging industries that may represent great opportunities for growth. According to the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, these are the 4 emerging industries in Jamaica. Let's learn more about them. Number 1, the bamboo industry. Bamboo is one of the fastest growing plants in the world. It does not require a lot of maintenance and can be harvested within 3 to 5 years. It does not need to be replanted. You cut it to harvest it and leave the roots intact to regrow. All of these characteristics make it a renewable and sustainable resource. According to this article, the National Housing Trust, NHT, has invested approximately $54 million towards research in the use of bamboo to construct low-cost houses in Jamaica. This is being done in partnership with the Bureau of Standards Jamaica and the Bamboo Industry Association of Jamaica. Also included in the project is a bamboo mapboard project, which is being done in partnership with Resource Fiber in Alabama, USA. Other products that will be included under Jamaica's bamboo industry are bamboo furniture and other wooden products, bamboo charcoal, and bamboo clothing and textiles. The development of the industry has been an ongoing process. They are currently working on the creation of a bamboo industrial demonstration facility, the construction of which will be funded by the People's Republic of China and the government of Jamaica. Once approved and completed, the facility will be the first of its kind in the Caribbean. My question for this particular industry is, would you live in a house made of bamboo or reinforced by bamboo? Moving on, the second emerging industry in Jamaica, according to the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, is the creative industries. Jamaica has always been a country with creative people and a rich culture that it shares with the world. This creativity and culture has throughout the years become an integral part of Jamaica's national brand. This industry has many subsectors, many of which fall under different ministries in Jamaica. For example, film is governed by JAMPRO under the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, while broadcasting is under the Ministry of Information, and radio and telecoms is under the Ministry of Science. And what is animation doing under the Office of the Prime Minister? I don't really know. Once there is more structure to the industry, then it can be properly monetized so that there can be real economic growth. According to the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce's website, they are working on the Jamaica Film Festival, the creation of a film fund, and bolstering the intellectual property framework surrounding the industry. And earlier this year, workshops geared at creating the policy and legal framework for the entertainment, cultural, and creative industries were held between May 16 and 20th. This was announced by Olivia Grange, Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment, and Sport. We are at the halfway point, and here is your reminder to hit the like button if you've learned something from this video so far, and subscribe if you want to learn more about developments taking place in Jamaica. Now, number 3. The third emerging industry in Jamaica is the international financial services industry. In 2011, the Jamaica International Financial Services Authority was created with the main focus being the promotion of Jamaica as a place for international financial services. The emphasis is on making Jamaica an offshore financial center for international companies that offer financial services, much like Bermuda and the British Virgin Islands. Integral to the creation of a legislative framework for this International Financial Services Center was the passing of the following bills: the International Corporate and Trust Services Providers Act, the Partnership General Act, and the Partnership Limited Act. The expected benefits from such a center includes business opportunities, employment opportunities, in addition to the government receiving revenue from registration, license, and work permit fees from these international companies. And number 4, the medical cannabis and hemp industry. The decriminalization of this plant is slowly helping to create what could become a thriving industry in Jamaica. This is becoming true not only in Jamaica but across the world, as other countries are now making it legal. According to Forbes, global sales are expected to increase from $13.4 billion in 2020 to $33.6 billion by 2025. It is therefore understandable why so many are thinking about entering the industry. So those were the 4 emerging industries in Jamaica. Which other industry do you think is showing some promise? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn more about Jamaica's Vision 2030 plan and where we are in terms of reaching those goals, then you can watch this next video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.